Welcome to Learn English Daily. Today's lesson: vocabulary for giving and supporting academic opinions. Academic vocabulary. Vocabulary for giving and supporting academic opinions. Word 1. Contend. Formal. Meaning: to claim or argue that something is true, often against opposing views. Register. Used in formal essays, research papers, and academic debates when you want to present a strong argument. Essay example: the author contends that climate policy must prioritize renewable energy sources over fossil fuels. Word 2. Substantiate. Formal. Meaning: to provide evidence or proof to support a claim or statement. Register. Academic writing. Research papers. Formal arguments requiring verification. Essay example: while the hypothesis is intriguing, the researcher failed to substantiate it with sufficient data. Word 3. Posit. Formal. Meaning: to suggest or propose an idea or theory as a basis for discussion. Register. Theoretical discussions. Academic papers. When introducing new concepts. Essay example: scholars posit that medieval trade networks were more complex than previously believed. Word 4. Corroborate. Formal. Meaning: to confirm or give support to a claim by providing additional evidence. Register. Research papers. Comparative studies. When strengthening arguments. Essay example: multiple studies corroborate the finding that sleep deprivation affects cognitive performance. Word 5. Refute. Formal. Meaning: to prove that a statement or theory is wrong using evidence. Register. Critical analysis. Debate. Counterarguments in academic writing. Essay example: recent archaeological finds refute the long-held assumption about early settlement patterns. Word 6. Validate. Semi-formal. Meaning: to confirm that something is true, correct, or justified through evidence. Register. Academic and professional contexts. Less formal than substantiate. Essay example: the experiment helped validate our initial hypothesis about protein synthesis. Word 7. Argue. Semi-formal. Meaning: to present reasons or evidence in support of a particular position or idea. Register. Essays. Discussions. General. Academic writing. Essay example: this paper argues that educational reform requires systemic change, not isolated interventions. Word 8. Assert. Formal. Meaning: to state or declare something firmly and confidently as fact. Register. Formal essays. When presenting main claims or thesis statements. Essay example: the researcher asserts that this finding has significant implications for future medical treatment. Informal versus formal. Informal. Think. Formal. Contend, posit, assert. Informal. Back up, prove. Formal. Substantiate, corroborate, validate. Informal. Say that something is wrong. Formal. Refute, dispute. Informal. Make an argument. Formal. Argue, maintain, advance. Write it. Topic: the effects of social media on mental health in teenagers. Write one academic sentence using at least 2 vocabulary words from this lesson to present an opinion with supporting evidence. Practice this today. Small steps every day lead to big results. Subscribe for a new lesson every day at 7 p.m.